Hi class, I just wanted to show you how to get to the multimedia materials. So if you go to Desire to Learn and go to the My Math Lab link, then we'll open up your course hopefully. And then on the left hand side here we have Multimedia Library. And then you can select, so we're in chapter 4, you can see section 1, and then I always do select all, and then find now. So then here are the materials you can use. Let me scroll this down a little bit. They have an animation. They have a multimedia textbook. So if you haven't gotten the textbook yet, it's really cool. Like, this book was made for online students. And it has, here we go. So notice there's things that you can click on. It'll jump to different sections. There's the video, animations. Alright. And then, oh, I can't, there it is. Then you can jump to these different objectives too, if you want. So then here, they're giving you the definitions. They give you some examples. Okay. And yeah, here's videos right in there. Okay, so that's where I would be going if I were you, is to that textbook. If you like PowerPoints, there are PowerPoints for each section as well. So you can just download those and that'll run you right through the section. Sorry, my PowerPoint's taking a second. Here we go. So they'll tell you the objectives. They give you the definitions and the examples right here in your PowerPoint. It's pretty cool. Some people really love them. So after looking at your book, or maybe while you're looking at your book, also checking out that PowerPoint would be another great place for you to learn the math.